Yes, yes. Okay, that is a new one. Yes.
The private schools are requested, those who want, there are primary schools which are excellent, those who want to create standalone junior secondary schools, like in the city of Nairobi, they are requested to do so. It is most unreasonable for them to ask government to fund them. So if a Kenyan chooses to take a child to a private school, with all humility, let that Kenyan pay for it. It's a matter of choice, isn't it? As far as the government is concerned, I'm a minister for both public and private, and I'm asking those private schools who feel they want to take part in this junior secondary, they can create standalone junior secondary schools in their primary schools, or they can also do exactly what we are doing in our secondary schools, but at their own. As far as CBC is concerned, since you took me there, it is the most transformative thing His Excellency the President has done for our country. Most people will not see it. Most of the non-intelligent people will not see it until after he has left. Because what he has done is to take us back 30 years ago, when we were trained to learn, not to go and sit exams.